Did you know you can have this stack of pancakes on a Slim and Well plan? Morning everyone. I've just got another breakfast idea for you today. I'm having some lovely oat pancakes and I'm putting lemon curd and, oh look, the glass in the door looks like I've got an airing on. and I'm putting some lovely blueberries and natural yoghurt. So I've cooked my oaty pancakes, and that's just my normal ingredients. 40 grams of Scotch porridge oats, cheapy ones from the supermarket are absolutely fine. Then there's 1 egg and about a couple of tablespoons of Skyr natural fat-free yoghurt, but you can put any natural yoghurt that you like in there as long as it's fat-free. It's no problem. If you want to, syns, of course, if you don't mind about the syns, then you can use any yoghurt you like. Don't put too much in though, because when you put too much yoghurt in with it, then the mixture is too loose and they won't set. And so today I've got some really nice little oaty pancakes, as you can see there. So I've got a tablespoon of lemon curd, and I have divided it up onto the top of the 4 little pancakes. And so I'm going to put a little bit of this orange drizzle, and then I'm going to put another pancake, and I'm just going to swirly that. Oh, that's all melted, so that's nice and lush. And another drizzle of orange, and then another pancake, and do the same with that. Well, that was a good idea, sitting that on there before I start filming, because it's all melted now, and I haven't got a microwave anymore, so it's helpful to be able to melt something like that. I do miss my microwave for that particular reason. Right, so that's that. So that's all. Don't leave any behind. That's that. And another little bit of, I reckon I've had about 2 teaspoons, maybe 2 teaspoons there. And then I'm just going to dump a little bit of this on the top. And you could put squirty cream if you wanted to. You can make this into a dessert. Oh, that'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Put some squirty cream on the top. Squirty cream is really low in syns. It's about, I think it's about 2 syns for 20 grams, which is, 20 grams is a lot of squirty cream. And so I'll just put myself a little dob of that on the top, and then I'm going to dash some blueberries into that. Pick that one up, it's gone astray. Stick that in there, and just pop them in the top so it looks pretty. And scatter a few around the edge of the plate, because blueberries are a nice speed food. Get a beautiful breakfast. So that is lemon, orange and blueberry oaty pancakes. If you're enjoying my recipes, let me know. Leave me a comment somewhere, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or on YouTube if you've got a YouTube account. I know it's really difficult on YouTube because everybody watches on YouTube, but you can't comment unless you log in. And so it's free to make a YouTube account. It's really quick and it doesn't cost you anything. And then you'll be able to comment and ask questions or do whatever. Anyway, I'm off to eat my breakfast, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.